Add meal plans on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, open the app. Now you can see here different options. Click on the plans here. You can see here meal plan. Click on it. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. After clicking on meal plans, you can see here 28 days or daily plan, high protein and low carbohydrates. In this way, you can select your meal plan from your MyFitnessPal app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.